every damn time!
Welcome back to the channel. Today, more on the 445 cubic inch FE engine that's going to be going in to my friend Pete's Galaxie, which is sitting right there. Yes, it is dusty, it is dirty, and it has been here for a while. But all that begins to change today. Today we're going to focus on getting the engine ready to drop in the car. Already installed the shorty headers. Need to put on the flywheel, clutch, bell housing, and then we're pretty much ready to drop it in. If you have ever seen an FE engine with this part of the block broken off, it's probably because they took this bolt off last if they had it on an engine stand or attached to the bell housing in the car. Keep all these tight, take that one off first. Save yourself a big headache and a ruined block.
Happens every time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow night when we drop the 445 into Pete's Galaxie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.